Iboba, let me tell you something. You saying something stupid. You saying something stupid about Donald Trump, about Africa. Stop doing that. Saying something about the government, the British government, American government. Stop, Iboba. You need to stop doing that. That's how people get mad. That's how. Guess what? I watched one of your videos, and that's how you got those got that secret agent talking to you. See, you need to stop doing this. Think before you speak. Remember that, Ibihuba. Cause you need to speak. I mean, you need to think. You really need to think before you speak. That's why that secret agent. I remember that time. That's why that secret agent talked to you. Cause you didn't think before you speak. You just blurting stuff out. Don't do that. Don't do that again. That's not okay. Not okay. So watch what you say. Because YouTube is not going to go off. YouTube, when you put stuff on YouTube and you download it, it's not going to go away. It's going to go all over the world. Then everybody got to see it. Everybody. And that's a lot of people. So think before you speak. Don't say something stupid again. Ibuhuba. I know who you are. So don't say nothing about Putin. All of them people. Putin, the president of Russia. He's doing a great job. Leave him alone. He's doing a very great job. Every country, I think they're doing a great job. So don't say nothing stupid. Every country is doing their thing. They're doing a great job. They're doing their thing. Leave them alone. Especially Donald Trump alone. Thank you for watching this video, guys.